Hi there. Since many people have asked for support for Microsoft Excel file, now Columns support reading your Excel file to be uploaded. Let's take a quick look. The second option is for file upload. As you can see here, now we support Excel file, CSV or TSV, or sometimes your data is very big. You can compress it first using gzip. We support that as well. For Excel file, let's take a look. For example, I have some Excel file here. Click that, upload. It will preview the data. If you want to do some settings, you can do that, but by default, usually everything is figured out automatically. So let's save this data source. Columns loading the data source for you, and we can start to chat with the AI. For example, what are the key insights? I mean, you can type questions by yourself, but this is some suggested query. We click them and let the AI to work on it with some initial. If this is something you think is right, you can apply them and start to style in and design your data. For this data, you can see it's basically generated some district name as a breakdown with some metrics. You probably know what the metrics means if you own the data. Also, we can using some other exploratory query. For example, suggest some analytic queries for this data. So for this case, I think we are asking the AI to think about the data schema itself and suggest some queries with chart type. For example, here we see this line chart display the trend of votes for some specific vote over time. If temporary data is available, let's see if this works. Seems like we don't have time series, so I'm not sure if this one. Yeah, the current data set doesn't include any temporary data, so this one doesn't work. Let's check. Pie chart shows percentage share of votes for each party in specific district, like I don't know what this name is, but basically it generated the pie chart for you. If this is something you want, you can just go ahead to apply. Once we have the apply, you can just start to style in it. Just click the things, and there's a lot of options for each specific type, chart type. You can style in them. Sometimes you want to ask AI to generate some style. So for example, if I say please suggest a simple and neutral theme for this graph. AI is supposed to come up with some suggested style based on what you asked for. So let's just take a look. For example, this one is what is suggested. If we like it, we can do. It comes up with different palette and overall style. Let's close this chatting window. You can bring it up anytime here. Click this, and there's some options you may be interested. For example, like a semi. For example, like pairized pie chart. Okay, and based on this, you can have some other options you can do. Everything is movable, and if you like this, share with people, make it public and share. Grab this public URL, save it. This is basically something URL you can share with people, very fast and very convenient. Hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.